MM189 ended up with the most number of points. He established as the king. He establishes himself as the king after coming up with a big win. MM189 Marvin Mangulabnan of Aprilia Motor Factory Racing Team. Last time he was here, he took on a fastest lap record on two wheels here in the Philippines.
Hi guys, I'm Marvin Mangulabnan from Aprilia Motor Factory Racing Team. Nag-start ako mag-race nung 18 years old ako. Medyo late na yon compare sa mga ibang racers dito sa atin. Pero ang ginawa namin is non-stop. So nag-start ako from small bike. Yung mga 110, 115cc, then step by step. From beginner to expert on that category. Then syempre ginol namin na makatakbo sa big bikes. So yun yung #1 goal. So hindi ko na-expect na yun, kakayanin natin mag-overall champion dito sa top class ng racing dito sa Philippines.
Mangulabnan concentrating. Are we gonna see him go for the 5th title? He's still on striking distance when it comes to stealing. When it goes out, we go full throttle twisting here. That is the Aprilia of MM189, Marvin Mangulabnan. The 4-time PSBK champion, Marvin Mangulabnan, on the #189, representing Aprilia Motor Factory Racing Team.
Thank you sa lahat ng sumusuport ng racing natin dito sa Clark. And sa mga nanonood ng live, sa mga pumunta mismo dito sa racetrack natin, sa buong crew, sa buong team. Sa lahat ng racers, sa mga nanalo, congratulations.
Marvin Mangulabnan had an awesome momentum the last time we were here at the BRC. He got the biggest number of points the last time we were here. MM189 right there in the background. Ready for lights out, and the full twisting of the throttle is going to happen. Marvin Mangulabnan, he knows how to make it look easy. 148.5 here at Clark International Speedway.
Kahapon ng QTT, it was a good time, good result, good everything, good feel with the bike. Then suddenly, this morning, no practice session, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng mga faults yung bike. So, too late to try something para ma-prove namin na yung ginawa namin is good or bad. But still, thank you so much siyempre sa buong crew sa pag-prepare ng bike. Nagkaroon kami ng problem, some technicalities on the bike, so wala talaga siyang power compare before. Hindi ko rin na-reach yung fastest time ko. So I was really pushing hard. Ang problem is nagsasuffer na yung tires. Thank you sa lahat ng sumusuport ng racing natin dito sa Clark. And especially Imprint Custom, thank you so much sa walang sawang pag-provide ng fully customized official shirt namin. At syempre yung bago naming bike mat na ginamit namin kanina. Yung isa for the bike, yung isa is para sa akin. And yun, thank you so much sa lahat ng sponsors. See you on the 4th round of Philippine Superbike Championship.
Which one are you going to be rooting for? Right here in the Philippines, these are the fastest gentlemen on two wheels. Right here on this side of Southeast Asia. Getting ready for this crucial race start for the pre-final of PSBK 2024.
Nung pre-final, it was dry condition, and this after naman final race is wet condition. So I'm happy with the result and I'm happy with the pace na nagawa ko nung final race. So, napakita natin yung capable ng bike and I'm still happy with my team and with that kind of condition that naka-pace tayo and papanik tayo sa podium ngayon.
MM189 looking like he's loving this. Take a look at this. Get ready for the fastest boys on two wheels on the fastest sport on two wheels in the country. The Philippine Superbike Championship presented by Metron, presented by Pirelli. That's the striking distance getting established over here by M189 of Team Aprilia Motul Factory Racing Team. Look at how a little bit of a wobble on the aggressive gear changes on that Aprilia. That's Marvin Mangulabnan. You know he's pushing hard. He wants to keep this level of distance.
Di man natin nakuha yung first, but I'm still happy with the result, with the battle. Kasi it was really a good race and looking forward tayo sa mga susunod pang races. Almost weekly kami nandito sa Batangas for practices. So, although it's ganun talaga, it's our preparation. So, halos dito na kami nakatira para lang makapag-prepare and magawa namin yung pinaka-the best. This is very challenging kasi imagine we practice after race tong Clark. So, we practice agad dito sa BRC to get the better settings and yet nagkaroon lang kami ng magandang settings by this Friday lang, so it's very hard for us para ma-maintain yung pace and everything, but yun nga, sobrang saya ko kasi although nag-attempt naman ako nung last race, kaya lang hindi naging enough yung braking point, so kaya nag-overshoot then, but still I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with my team and I'm very happy with all of my sponsors. This is our second year with Aprilia Motorcycles. About Imprint Customs, ang tagal ko ng sponsor ni Sir Gian. Kaya Sir Gian, thank you sa pag-provide ng, actually dati shirt lang, ngayon may jersey na, may hoodie na, may mga cap na. So meron pang bagong motorcycle matting. So I know mas marami pa kayong mapoprovide na mga needs ng mga hindi lang about sa racing, also sa mga ibang industry. Gonna prepare more for the next year's race. Maraming salamat sa sumusuporta sa akin, sa lahat ng fans, nagsusupport ng buong crew, ng team, sponsors. Salamat kasi for continue supporting me and my team. Yes, there are challenges na nangyayari. We'll continue what we're doing. And hopefully for next year, makuha natin ulit yung crown. I will do my best for it and we will be ready for that. See you next year for the 2025 Philippine Superbike Championship.
Marvin Mangulabnan, your 4-time PSBK champion from Aprilia Motul Factory Racing Team.